Hi. Let us learn about the features of Norton Utilities Ultimate and see how to make use of these features. Norton Utilities Ultimate helps clean and repair your Windows PC or laptop, improve its processing speed, and helps browse online faster. To begin with, click Scan Now on your dashboard. This will start scanning your PC, identify and showcase various cleanup opportunities to improve the overall performance of your Windows PC or laptop. With the key features of Norton Utilities Ultimate, you can do the necessary cleanup. 1. Processes. This feature helps to turn off programs, impacting the speed and performance of your daily tasks, from opening automatically at startup. To begin with, click Processes on the main menu and click Rescan Processes. From the list, identify the processes that have high or medium impact and turn off the processes switch. These startup programs and processes can no longer run in the background. 2. System junk. This feature helps to get rid of system junk, the obsolete and useless files generated by your Windows system, and even those pesky leftover files that remain after you uninstall an app. Click System Junk on the main menu. Click Rescan System and wait for the scan to complete. Disk Cleaner. To clean up your disk, under Disk Cleaner tab, choose the cleaning mode. Click Clean. When cleaning is complete, click Finish Cleaning. Follow the same procedure for broken registry keys and broken shortcuts. 3. Uninstall Simulator and Uninstaller. Click Programs on the main menu. To begin with, click Rescan Programs. Uninstaller Simulator. You can isolate a program without uninstalling it. Click Simulate next to a program under Uninstall Simulator tab. Now the program is isolated. You can follow the same for other programs and measure the impact the program had on your computer's performance and act accordingly. To restore an isolated program, click Restore. To uninstall a program completely, click the trashcan icon and then click Uninstall. Uninstaller. You can also uninstall a program easily by clicking Uninstall next to a program under the Uninstaller tab. Click Uninstall again to confirm and begin the uninstallation. 4. Data Recovery. This feature helps you retrieve lost, damaged, or corrupted files by searching the internal or external hard drive that you choose. Click Data Recovery on the main menu. To begin with, click Scan PC. Use the scan filters to narrow down your scan. Click Scan. Once the scan completes, you can view the file name, type, size, and original location for each item found. Select the files that you want to recover and click Recover. Select a recovery location, preferably a location in a different drive than the drive from where the data was lost. Once selected, click OK. Click Start Recovery. Once the file recovery activity completes, click Open Recovered Files to view the recovered items. 5. Browser data. Your browser keeps records of where you go and what you do online. Sometimes this can be useful, but it also takes up space on your hard drive and can put your online privacy at risk. By cleaning your browser data, you make it harder for others to track your online activity. Click Browser Data on the main menu and click Rescan Browsers. Choose a cleaning mode. Select Basic to clean only the browser cache and tracking cookies. Select Full to clean all categories of browser data. Select Custom to customize your preferences. Click Clean. Click Continue to close the listed browsers. Click Finish Cleaning. By clicking Settings on the main menu and then choosing the Browser Data tab, you can do the browser data settings. Apart from these key features, there are additional features available, which you can explore and make use of. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.norton.com.